Moving on to today's video, how to log in Facebook Developer. We use Facebook Developer basically to explore the business tools, gaming, open source, publishing, and many more that are available in the Facebook Developer. So if you want to log in Facebook Developer from your device, first of all you have to watch this video till the end. Now go to a browser on your device and then in the search box type the web address developers.facebook.com. Then you have to now go to the three lines at the top right corner of the screen beside the search icon. Then you will see the login button. Tap on login and then choose your account. Then enter your password of your Facebook account. Therefore you are now logged into your Facebook Developer, and now you can start using and exploring into the Facebook Developer with your products, documents, and what apps you want to use that are available here. So I hope this video was very helpful to you to know how to log into Facebook Developer. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe